Welcome to Baloo, your digital signage solution. Let's go through the setup process for your Nexa One player. Your Nexa One includes a video player, a power cable, and a micro HDMI adapter. You will also need an internet connection, an HDMI cable, and an Ethernet cable if you prefer a wired connection for better stability. A Baloo account is required to register your screens. You can create an account on our website. Plug your Nexa One player into your screen's HDMI port using an HDMI cable and the micro HDMI adapter. Connect the power cable to your Nexa One and plug it into a power outlet. Turn on your screen and select the correct HDMI input corresponding to the port where your player is connected. Once the player starts, a 6-digit code and a QR code will appear on the screen. If the 6-digit code or the QR code does not appear, please follow the instructions displayed on the screen to connect your player to the internet. You can now add this screen to your Baloo account via the web application or by scanning the QR code. Log in to the Baloo application, go to the Screens tab and add a new screen. Name it and enter the required information. Then, enter the 6-digit code displayed on your screen to register it. If you used the QR code, follow the same steps. The code will be automatically filled in for you. Your screen is now registered and visible in the Baloo web application. You can edit the screen information at any time and associate it with a playlist. For more information, visit the Baloo Help Center.